In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first project in Aprao. So the first thing that we're going to do is click Create Project. We're going to give this a site address. I'm going to use an example site, like this. When you put the site address in, it's really important that you get the right site address because this links up to a map which is automatically generated within the appraisal report that Aprao generates. In the project summary, you can include as much or as little information about this development as you would like. So here, as an example, I've put, this is a development of 28 apartments, broken down as such. We can choose our currency that we want to work in, and we can choose the area that we want to work in too. Once we've set this up, we press Create. We've now created our first project. So in this section here, we can continue to add any other information that we want. For example, we may want to include some information around who's introduced the site, or we may want to include some planning information or zoning information. So you can make this section as detailed as you like. Within here, you can also include links. So for example, you can link to planning information, you can link to comparable properties. You can even link to documents. If you've got a cloud-based document storage option, you can just simply link to things like architect's drawings or design and access statements. From here, we're now going to create the actual financial model itself. In order to do this, we just need to click on Add New. We give the first appraisal or feasibility a title. So this might be an initial land appraisal, as an example here, and you can add a summary if you want to provide some further information. Just to keep things consistent, and I'll show you where this matters later on, I'm just going to put the same description in here. And now I'm going to press Create. So we've actually created our first development appraisal feasibility in Aprao. What we've not done is add any financial data. So in the next videos, I'm going to take you through the steps to add this information into these sections and take you through to a complete development appraisal or feasibility in only a few minutes.